Hey, good morning, team, and happy Monday. Welcome to week 3. I mean what I'm about ready to say. I think this is the best round of pitches that I remember. Like, maybe there have been a batch this good before, but right now, yesterday, I was reflecting and thinking, these are exactly what I hope for as the editor at Exchangers, and I just want to applaud you guys and encourage you and tell you that as a group, you really put forth some excellent thinking, creativity. I think you were vulnerable with the things that you're individually passionate about, and this is going to make for such a unique magazine and experience this quarter. So I recorded voice comments for all of you with reactions to your pitches, and in those voice comments I said, choose the pitch that you think that you will be motivated to work on. That means, what do you want to be thinking about for the rest of the quarter, reading about, researching, writing about, potentially talking about, reflecting on? We're human, so sometimes we run out of steam, but you know you best. So which thing is going to captivate your attention the most? If you're passionate about something, you can make others passionate about it too. So let's say your peers rated your pitches opposite of you. Take that into consideration, but don't let it sway your decision making if you just know this is the pitch that you want to do. For a handful of you, I did, and for lots of you, at least on one of your pitches, I gave some concrete advice of how to make sure it fits with the Exchangers magazine kind of mission, kind of work that we do. But there was nothing I saw that was unworkable, and sometimes that does happen. And so that's why I just feel really excited about the magazine you guys are going to create and the articles that each of you are going to write. I feel like I'm going to learn and feel that sense. When you read a really great article, you almost feel honored that the author was willing to share it with you. That's how I'm feeling about what you guys are going to be working on. So step 1 this week is pick. And I know I have a deadline kind of right out of the gate here for our team, but by Thursday at midnight-ish, I want you to submit your proposal project. If you look at those instructions, it's a little bit drawing from the pitch that you did and just kind of transforming and bulking up the pitch. I like to think of it as a pass-through assignment. So it's the assignment, you pick your pitch, you kind of just tweak the proposal. It's almost like pre-writing to get you to the short article copy. So the short article copy is due next Tuesday, and you just need to do the pitch early enough before that next Tuesday to then get you there. Sorry for all the hand motions, but I hope that it's helping. So like I said, Thursday is a little fast, but your pitches are good. I think you guys are ready for it. If you need like one more day, I'm fine with that. I might mark it off as missing, but if you drop it in over the weekend, then I'll give you credit when you come back at the start of next week. The point is, just make sure you pass through that assignment. And the earlier you do it, I think the easier it's going to be to give you time for the 1 week that you have to write a draft of the short article copy. Okay, so a few quick notes about the short article copy, but I'll let you read the instructions to dive in there. What do I have in mind there? Well, the grading rubric is going to be really simple. It's going to be, did you write an intro? Is there 1 body paragraph, 2 body paragraph, 3 body paragraph? I think 4. Is there a conclusion? Is there works cited? And it's going to be that philosophy of do, earn. We are journalists here. We're working. We're just encouraging each other to get things going. You can't create a quality magazine. You can't write sophisticated and interesting articles unless you draft early enough to give us time to reflect. So do equals earn, which means try to put on your creative hat and take off your critiquing hat so that you can just produce some content. And it's going to transform so much over the quarter. I don't want you to worry too much about, it's not how I wanted it to be. It's not done yet, okay? The other thing I want you to think about is the short article copy was designed at the time that I first developed that to mirror what you already know how to do. So I've been teaching English 101 here for many years, a decade, and tutoring English 101 prior to that, and taking English 101 prior to that, and I am friends with all the other people who teach your English 101 courses. I know what they're up to. I know what you've been up to. I understand that passing a class is different than nailing a class, you know. You guys are coming from different backgrounds. That said, shake off any of the, what would I call it? Any feelings you have about whether or not you can do this short article copy. It's really a chance for me to see, like, what your English 101 transfer skills are. So English 101 is like exchangers training. It's the training you took before I hired you as a journalist. All I want you to do in this 1 week of drafting your short article copy is just show me what you learned how to do or what you practiced in English 101. That's why it'll be around 1,000 words, 3 to 5 sources. I do give some suggestions. I give you some links to some resources to kind of catch you up if you need or want or desire that. But the pressure's off. I'm going to qualitatively comment on your work, your article, but I'm not going to grade the quality of your paragraphs or your sentences, or definitely not your grammar or anything like that. I just want to see where we're at and see what kinds of things we should be working on. There's an obscure line in the description for the short article copy. So that obscure line says that if a different format is better for you, like some kind of long form free write, then go for it. I think that it'd be good to kind of just let me know, like, hey, Amber, I'm stuck. I have writer's block. I feel like I can't really do a traditional style essay, but here's what I can do. And it's around the same amount of words, and I'm still using sources, but it's going to be a different kind of format. I'm open to that, because just like the proposal is a pass-through to the short article copy, the short article copy is a pass-through to get us to an expanded article copy by the end of our quarter or our publication process. And so reach out if you need that kind of an accommodation to help you overcome any kind of writer's block, okay? And just a quick note on that real fast. The proposal is going straight to me. It's not on a board. It's just into me. I'm spot checking it. So you're not sharing it with everyone. You can voice record it or video record it. It does not have to be typed. It's just a chance to reflect and do pre-writing. The short article copy is going on a discussion board because while it is due next Tuesday, you guys will be replying to each other by Thursday and then revising and editing to, again, submit directly to me by next Sunday. So we're talking kind of 2 weeks ahead. So for this week, next week, proposal, short article copy, that's the stage that we're in. Can I help you guys with anything else? Can I help you find your voice comments on your pitches? If you're in the Canvas login, bottom right, it might say like recent feedback, and you can go there to check that out. You probably earned 10 out of 10 on that. And if you want to get to it a different way, I think you can go to modules or grades, and those might have a link for you to find the media comment. It's just, blue box, press play. I did give you guys 2 media comments, one on the bio and now one on the pitches. So look around, don't give up. And that's all. I hope you guys have an amazing week and that you had a great Monday to relax and get outside and enjoy these winter sunshines. Okay, talk to you soon.